Hello and welcome to the most exciting course of augmented reality. In this subsection, we will quickly go through the buzzing around field in computer science, VR. So, the first question is, what is virtual reality? The definition of virtual reality comes naturally from the definitions for both virtual and reality. The definition of virtual is near, and reality is what we experience as human beings. So the term virtual reality basically means near reality. Basically, there are two types of headset using which a user can experience virtual reality. In the first type of virtual reality headset, you have to put your smartphone inside a cardboard or plastic casing. Example, Google Cardboard, Samsung Gear VR or Google Daydream. In second type, the user do not need a smartphone as all the necessary components are built in the VR headset. These VR headsets consist of screen, sensors and lenses which help in tracking users' head position. Example like Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, etc. So, the next question is, there are so many VRs available in the market. How to choose who is the best of the best for VR? Finally, first to feel virtual reality at its best, it is typically achieved by wearable headwears. And I have picked few best VR available. Facebook Oculus, the HTC Vive, Samsung Gear VR and the Microsoft HoloLens, which is also capable of augmented reality. Next very important question is, what is virtual reality used for? VR is used to create and enhance an imaginary reality for gaming and viewing entertainment. VR gaming can make actions lifelike and then real environment into virtual landscape. Virtual reality is also used for simulated environments for professionally based training like flight simulators, language learning, and other use cases. Thank you for listening. Let's have a short clip of VR and see you in the next class.